Hello everyone, so today we are going to start a second topic of our chapter number 1, plants increasing the number. So come on, let's start. See, the name of our today's topic is new plants from seeds. So before getting into our today's topic, I would like to do a recap of my last lecture, that what we have learned in our previous lecture. So come on, let's do a quick recap. See, in my last lecture I have asked you a question that do you remember? Okay, if you do not remember, I'll tell you what was our question, that have you ever observed your food? So of course, yes, we have observed our food. So there was one more question, that food consists of what? So do you know food consists of what? Of course, yes, food consists of wheat, rice, pulses, sugar, oil, tea, coffee, etc., etc. So there was one more question, that how do we get it all? So do you know how do we get it all? Of course, it was a previous lecture. We have learned all this. So we get it all by the plants. And do you know, plants are the major part of nature. So like this, we have learned some more points. So and at the last, the conclusion of our previous lecture was what? Do you remember? No problem, I'll tell you. The conclusion of a previous video was that plants are the very, very important part of our life. If there will be no plants, our life will become very difficult without plants. So we must grow lots and lots of plants, and when the plants will grow, our earth will become more greener. So now come on, let's start our today's topic. So our today's topic is new plants from seeds. So come on, let's start. See, do you know plants produce what? Do you know plants produce what? No problem, if you don't know, I'll tell you. See, plants produce seed. And now why? But why plants produce seed? So plants produce seed so that new plants could be grown. When new plants will be grown, there will be more seeds. We will grow more seeds. There will be more plants, and our earth will become more greener. So now, but you should know that not all plants grow fully. But why not all plants grow fully? Let me tell you. See, first point of our not all plants are grown fully is that plants and seeds are destroyed due to strong wind and heavy rains. So see, just suppose it is very simple that when the plant will be born new, it will be a newborn plant. How can it tolerate the strong wind, heavy rain? For example, when we are having a newborn baby and we will put it outside our house and it will be raining heavily, the small baby cannot protect himself. How can? Because he is very small, he cannot protect himself. So like that only, there are baby plants. The baby plants cannot protect themselves, they are too much tiny. So second point is plants and seeds are eaten by insects and birds. So there are a number of plants and seeds. They are just scattered on the ground, and plants, a number of insects and animals just come there and eat all of them, and they all are destroyed because of them. They all are just killed by them. All the plants and animals eat them, so they are destroyed. They cannot grow. So third point is plants and seeds don't get favorable condition. Now what is favorable condition? Means favorable condition are proper air, proper water and proper soil, and there are some more other nutrients. So I will also tell them at some time. So when a plant or seed will not get a favorable condition to grow, how can it be grown? It must have its favorable condition. And if it will not have its favorable condition, how can it grow? It's too simple. Got it? Okay. So come on, let's do a quick recap. I know that you must have understood, but no problem. Some people don't understood. I'm going to do a recap for them. See, there was a question. Do you know plants produce what? Yes, plants produce seeds. But why do plants produce seed? Yes, plants produce seed so that new plants could be grown, and when new plants will grow, there will be more seeds, more and more seeds. There will be a lot of plants and our earth will become more greener. So it's too much simple. But you must know it that not all seeds are fully grown. Now, why not all seeds are fully grown? Because some plants and small seeds are destroyed due to strong wind and heavy rains. Because just like I have given you an example of a newborn baby, that when we will put a newborn baby on the road and it will be raining heavily, it cannot protect itself. Okay, you got it now? Okay. So third point is small plants and seeds don't get their favorable condition like proper air, water and soil. Okay, means they will not get the proper food. What is their food and nutrients? It's water, soil, and air also. So just like us, when we will not get proper food to eat, we will not grow properly. We will be sick now. We cannot stand from the bed. We will just fall a lot much sick. Okay, we will not get proper nutrients to grow. Just like us, plants also don't get their proper food, their favorable condition, their water, air and the sunlight, all the nutrients. Got it? Okay. So this was